Friends, hello! In this video, I want to tell you what you absolutely need to do with a cucumber plant so that it grows quickly upwards, sets many cucumbers, and the cucumbers in turn ripen quickly and yield their harvest. Also, to ensure that pests do not infest the plant and that the cucumber plant stays healthy. In previous videos, I have talked about growth stimulants and cucumber fertilization. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. And in this video, we will talk about agricultural techniques, specifically the removal of suckers. Firstly, they need to be removed from hybrid cucumbers, which only have female flowers. These are also called self-pollinating. This is the type of variety you are currently seeing on your screen. These varieties mainly form their yield only on the central stem. This method of cucumber formation is also suitable for hybrid varieties that have only female flowers, but sometimes also male flowers. However, this variety is self-pollinating. He doesn't need bees. Grown in a greenhouse. If you don't know what a female cucumber flower looks like to a male one, take a look. This is a male flower. There is a small stem and a flower. There is no small cucumber, but as you can see, this is what a female flower looks like. It also has a stem, a flower, and between them, a small cucumber that will grow over time, and we will harvest it as a crop. However, for cucumber varieties that are grown only in open ground because they are pollinated by bees, we do not perform such an operation, because for those varieties, the main yield is formed on the suckers. And with the suckers, you need to do the following. If they are still this small, you can simply break them off with your fingers, but you need to pull them upwards, not downwards, to avoid damaging the main stem. And when the sucker is this big, we cut it off with a pruner and do this with all the ones that are already growing on the plant. Additionally, we monitor the cucumber plant grows very quickly and will develop suckers. We also remove them. But if you have space in your garden or backyard and want to significantly double your yield, you can leave one sucker. We leave the very bottom one. This way we will get an additional stem, which will also have a substantial yield. And we tie it to a separate string. As I mentioned, we remove all the others. But what happens if we don't remove the suckers at all? Your plant will become very overgrown, indeed resembling a large bush. Because of this, the plant will spend a lot of nutrients on growing all the suckers, thus leaving little nourishment for all the cucumbers. Cucumbers will turn yellow while still very small and will fall off. The harvest will be very small and tasteless. Additionally, a plant that is overgrown will have poor ventilation, it will quickly become diseased and may die. Additionally, pests quickly settle in such shrubs, which will also destroy your plant and its yield. So friends, be sure to perform this simple operation throughout the entire growing season, consistently. Then the plant will grow quickly and will also quickly give you a harvest. If anyone has any questions, ask them in the comments. That's all from me. See you in the next video.